starting my business presentation, I would like to clear you a word which is known as network marketing. What is network marketing? First of all, to understand what is network marketing, let me give you an example. For example, few days before, I went to a restaurant and there I enjoyed the taste of the food as well as the family environment. After some days, I met my friend and told him about my good experience about that restaurant. I told him that I went to a restaurant and I was very much happy with the food as well as the environment of that restaurant. I told this to my friend and asked him if he wants to go to that restaurant, he can go whenever he wishes to go. After 3 or 4 days, my friend called me and asked me, what is the name of that restaurant that he told me? I told him the name of the restaurant and the location of the restaurant. My friend, along with his family, also went to that restaurant and had the same good experience as I did. He also enjoyed the taste of the food as well as the environment. After that, he paid a bill to the restaurant person. So basically, two persons got benefit from that. Number one, my friend who visited that place and enjoyed the taste of the food as well as the environment. And number two, that restaurant owner, by getting the money against the bill. What did I get? I got nothing. Even though I did the network marketing of that restaurant, but even after that, I couldn't get any benefit. Similarly, we can get many examples. For example, I use a mobile phone, iPhone for example. My friend asked me that what cell phone should I buy? My friend asked me. I told him that you can buy iPhone, I'm using it and I have a good experience for it. He told me that he asked me, where should I buy it? I told him you can go to a market XYZ, whatever so. He went there, he bought the mobile from that shopkeeper. So in this way, you can see if two persons got the benefit. Number one, my friend who bought that mobile phone, and number two, that shopkeeper. Shopkeeper benefited from selling that product to the customer and also getting a new customer. Can you guess? What did I get? Nothing. Even we do these sorts of things in our life, in our daily life. From our childhood till yet, we have been making a lot of publicities of different items, different things. For example, I use a wristwatch and I like that wristwatch. If my colleague or my friend will ask me, what watch should I buy? I will tell him the same experience that I had, the same watch that I have. And if he buys that watch from any shop, then again two persons will get the benefit. My friend by buying that watch, and number two, the shopkeeper. On the other hand, I got nothing. While I did the network marketing, or you may call it mouth publicity. You may call it mouth publicity, which is much easier word for it. Mouth publicity. So the word network marketing can easily be converted into a word mouth publicity, which you and I have been doing this for our childhood. You may have this in your mind that really in real world we do a lot of mouth publicity for different items. but we do not get any benefit from this publicity. While there is a company known as Gold Mine International. Gold Mine International is a Norway-based company. Gold Mine International, Norway-based company, asks its people to do the same work, network marketing for it, and the company promises us that it will give us a reward in the shape of commission. And that commission starts minimum from $30. You can get benefit as a reward against your mouth publicity starting minimum from $30. Sir, first of all, I would like to give the profile of the company. The name of the company is Gold Mine International. The company is based in Norway, not in Pakistan. Basically, this company has been doing the same work in network marketing for the last 9 years. Let me clear you one thing, that this 9 years shows the credibility of this company, Gold Mine International. In my point of view, such companies which are dealing with mouth publicity or network marketing, its first year is a very crucial time period for that company. Many of the companies couldn't survive, and by the end of 1 year, they closed down their business. But while in this case, in the case of GMI has completed, Alhamdulillah, 9 years, a successful 9 years, and it's heading ahead. So we can rely on this company because it shows the credibility. 9 years shows the credibility of the company. Now you can rely on this company very easily. What are the products of this company? Basically, the products of the company is gold products. These gold products ranges from $300 till $3,000. If you wish to see these products, you can see them on this website www.goldmine, INT stands for international.com. If you wish to see these products with your eyes, you can log into www.goldmine.com, INT stands for international.com, and you can watch, you can see these products. These products ranges from $300 to $3,000, but let me clear you one thing here. While I write this statement, most of the people think that they will have to buy this product and then they will have to sell this product. Please make it clear. Neither you have to buy these products with your own pocket, nor you have to sell these products. I'm just giving the profile of the company. That is why I'm telling you what are the products of the company. That doesn't mean that you have to buy these products and you have to sell these products. Nothing like that. As many of the network marketing companies does, many of the network marketing companies ask you to buy their products, and then secondly, they insist you to sell these products in the market. And after selling these products, you get the commission. But in case of Gold Mine International, you don't have to do these sorts of things. Neither you have to buy any product from your own pocket, nor you have to sell any product, because you and I am not a salesman. Right? So this is just a profile of the company. That's why I've written what are the products of the gold of the company. Company is producing these gold products, which range from $300 to $3,000. And if you wish to see them, you can log into this website.